Hey, what's up guys, it's Beard. I'm just been running you guys through how to set up your game so it is on the Canary setting, not the release setting as for my previous video. The emote for your TeamSpeak, you're going to need to set your game to Canary. So when you come to the Fivem main menu, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your settings menu. From here, you're going to want to make sure that your update channel is on Canary. It's then going to ask you to restart your game. You're going to press close and you're going to restart your game real quickly, okay?